Number 2, what is the difference when 2x to the third plus x minus 5 is subtracted from 6x to the third minus x squared plus 4x plus 8? So remember that key word from? From comes first. So I'm going to be writing this expression first when I do my subtraction. So I'm going to write down 6x to the third minus 1x squared plus 4x plus 8. And then I'm going to take away, but remember, when I take away, I have to write that second expression in parentheses. So I'm going to write down 2x to the third plus 1x minus 5. Remember, the number in front of that parentheses is actually a -1, so I'm going to distribute it to each of those terms on the inside of my parentheses. So nothing about my first expression changes, I just bring it down. So I have 6x to the third minus 1x squared plus 4x plus 8. And then if I distribute that -1, -1 times 2x to the third is a minus 2x to the third. That 1x is going to turn into a minus 1x, and that minus 5 is going to turn into a plus 5. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. So 6x to the third is a like term with my minus 2x to the third, which gives me 4x to the third. Negative 1x squared has no like term, so I just rewrite it. 4x has a like term with that minus 1x. 4x minus 1x is 3x. And now that 8 has a like term with a 5, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So if I look at my answer choices, it's got to be choice number 1. Now, there is a way to check this on the calculator. I can type my expression into y1 and y2. So y equals, clear y1, clear y2. And I'm going to type in 6x to the third minus 1x squared plus 4x plus 8 and take away. And now in the parentheses, I'm going to write down 2x to the third plus 1x and then take away 5. And then in y2, I'm going to put in the answer that I just chose. So 4x to the third minus x squared plus 3x plus 13. Now, I know I got it right if the table of values are the same. So if I hit second graph, I can see that my table of values are the same. Now, if I go back to y equals, just to show you a wrong answer, let's look at choice 2, where it's a minus 13 and a minus 3x. If I hit second graph, I can see that my table of values are not the same, so it cannot be choice 2, and it will not work for choice 3 or choice 4. It has to be choice number 1.